Hi, I'm Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and this is going to be day 3 of my bathroom renovation vlog. So as you seen yesterday, or last night after a long day, it's quite a mess, but basically I got some of the wiring started in the ceiling, pulled the ceiling down, got the wiring started. Got some vapor bags up in the ceiling for some lights and around the fan. And yeah, it was a long day. A couple complications, but nothing too serious. Just a couple of electrical issues I had to sort out. And also framed in an area down here in the wall for the shower to put a niche in the wall. So that's all done. I've got today I'm going to do vapor barrier on this outside wall, this chunk here, and then across the ceiling, obviously. I've got some electrical to finish up. What else am I going to do? Maybe get the subfloor down. I had pulled up the old flooring. There was 3 layers of flooring. So I've got to put a layer of plywood over top of this shiplap type subfloor that's there. Yeah, electrical. Yeah, those are the main things I want to get done today. I do have to do a material run today though, so that's going to take a bit of time just to get sorted out and figure out exactly what I need. Hopefully only make one trip, get everything, and get back. On top of all that, we've had a fair bit of snow the last couple days, so I really should be out shoveling snow, but I think my priority today is the bathroom. So this is day 3. Let's see what happens. Well, it's the afternoon of day 3, and I'm just kind of getting cleaned up, ready to shoot a video showing how to install this vapor barrier in this room. And I spent most of the morning just sealing up some areas. Might be hard to see with the window there. Little gaps and cracks with some spray foam. I've got to trim all that off still. And I got all the actual insulation in the ceiling, vapor bags and everything. But a good part of my time was actually spent up here in the attic, getting all the layers of insulation in. So I've got, what do I got? I've got 2 layers of R22 Roxol, and then a layer, just because I had some bats of R12 regular bat insulation laying around. So I've got those 3 layers there. I'm not completely done here. I've got to come back and finish up a little bit. It was just a really awkward spot, and yeah, I just ran out of time and patience for today to deal with it, so we'll worry about the rest of that tomorrow, or maybe the weekend. Okay, so like I said, just getting ready to shoot a video in a few minutes, or about an hour. I've got a couple things to do to get ready for that, so I'll have to get at it.